all flyover bridge. Itu banagina ek saal bhi bana aro sab pothol chula jaise to itu contractor la responsibility asna na government bhi itu tate responsibility lobo lage ita hala byabhai na ta
This is not my subject, but as a cabinet minister, it's a collective subject. I would see and I go back home because it's an old flyover. We know that it is completely outdated, but with the resource, whatever is available, the Department of National Highway has tried its best. But you see, for flyover over Dimapur, we thought we should place here and there. But sometimes we get clearance from the railways, flyovers are not like I brought sanction in 2008. We were prevented by railways. So certain difficulties. But this issue, I've been always told that it has become too narrow like that, nah? And the shaky bridge. So I'll go back to the duty and discuss with the minister and the minister highway, who is no other than deputy chief. Let us coordinate and see that how this become better for the public. Only for today. And this subject, I can only push in how to get through this one. And we shall see if we can move for the ministry to help us. Dimapur is the only commercial town for us. Lucky that Chumagdima has extended a little bit, and otherwise there's no space also. So let us together build Dimapur. Dimapur is for all of us. Nobody can be biased, nobody can be jealous of Dimapur. Everybody has to put his hand to promote Dimapur. I'll try to report the matter to the Chief Minister and the public cries.
আমি খান দেখি আছে কি ডিমাপুর আগার রাস্তা ইমান বিয়া হই নাছে not only ডিমাপুর but all over the district of Nagaland. তো এটা রুরাল ডেভেলপমেন্ট মিনিস্ট্রি খান বা 2.5 crore sanction করেছে financial year for the year of 2025 and 26. তো এটা লাগাও পড়বে আপনি being the concerned minister.
I have whatever is placed under my disposal for maintenance. Dimapur will get its share. And the concern of the government, either present government or before, afterwards, Dimapur is a concern for any government. And we are trying to see that, but here, the press people should help us know the exact person. This has become municipality. And the municipality area, from the urban, from certain CSS programs, the government of India is finalizing its 16th Finance Commission report by November only. So whatever grant comes, it will pump in for the ULBs and municipals. Because Mogokchu, Kohima and Dimapur is a municipal. Although Moon is also declared, but they did not participate in this election. So these areas are quite different. And maybe I, as a member, I can contribute, but maybe in few months' time, Kaito's hand will not be there around. But I will certainly, as a senior member, as a cabinet colleague, I'll put my mind towards Dimapur. And I'm confident that towards this March, many Dimapur will be improved. I know it will be. And from my side also, maintenance I'm giving money. Department will do its best. Whatever is possible. So let us not panic along with the public, but help us.